Mickle, I'm Trevor Mickle, the scientist, giving you today's report on science. A week ago, we started an experiment of evaporation. We took 2 glass. Well, can I tell them what they need?
Sure, honey.
You need 2 glass cups, a lid, and water. Fill both of. We were supposed to fill it to the middle, but instead we just filled it up to the thread. What was it?
Yeah, the threads on the
The
glass.
threads on the glass. And after a week, the one that was inside in the shady spot with the lid over it never ever evaporated. And the one that was outside evaporated to, where's the tape measure?
Well, we already measured, but we can
It
see
was
from
1 or 2.5 inches.
we can see by the water levels right there. Okay. Now, how can you explain this?
When the sun warms up the air, on the cold air on the ground, or at least hovering above the ground, it turns into warm air. And while it's going up, it's kind of like a bee or something, and it takes the water up with it. That's at least my guess.
That's your guess? Well, what did we find out? The one that was sealed and in the house,
Never evaporated one bit.
it's still full, isn't it? And then what about the one that was uncovered and exposed to the sun and the air?
Doop, doop, doop.
Go ahead and pick both of them up and hold them in front of you. Hold them right next to each other so I can get them both on the same. That is incredible. So how much time elapsed? How long did we do the experiment for?
For 1 week.
So in 7 days,
It evaporated.
that much.
But if we filled it up to the middle, it'd probably already have disappeared.
Probably so. And that's
Because
all
there's
due.
less water for it to.
Right. That's all due to what? What is the principle that we learned?
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Very good. All right. Well, do you have anything to add, sir?
Can I do something about air conditioners and how it's kind of like the sun to yank it out?
Go ahead. Say whatever you like. Huh?
And it's kind of like the same thing with an air conditioner. It has, for some reason, an air conditioner has to have air because it's an air conditioner. And when it sucks the air from outside, it sucks the water. It sucks the warm air out of the water. It sucks the warm air out of the moisture. It sucks the moisture and the warm air out of the cold water, and then it makes it into water vapor or something, and then shoots it out. And if you have lights on, like we do, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, quite a couple lights. Then it's going to heat it up, and if air, we don't know if air can go. I don't know if scientists know if air can go through things, but if it can, it'll probably go through the water, through the glass. First through the wood, then through the glass, then take it up. But it'd probably take a little while if you use that light, because the sunlight is way brighter.
Is that so?
Way brighter.
I think an air conditioner works in part by taking the moisture out of the air, because when moisture is present in air, the air is warmer. Isn't that so?
Oh yeah.
Usually. And that's why we had to empty the water container.
And the water container, if it gets too full, it's either going to leak or it may cause...
It'll just turn the unit off until you get it emptied.
Yeah.
There's a safeguard on there. Okay, well,
This
thank you.
is Trevor Mickle, signing off.